Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first cleaning video. I wanted to share my cleaning routine that I do on the weekends. During the weekday, I don't have time to dedicate to, doing a thorough cleaning because I'm busy working. By the time I get home from work, it's time to cook and get the kids ready for school the next day. So I don't have that much time. Enough of my ranting. So I usually use the Windex with vinegar to clean all the surface area, the granite, the toilet. That usually gets all the dust and grime off and adds that nice shine that I love to the granite. Trust me, if you use this Windex with vinegar, your granite countertops will sparkle. I usually start off by wiping the countertops and the upper areas, and then I work my way down and sweep the floor and also mop the floors as well. Okay, so now that I've made my way to the kitchen, I'm gonna wash these dishes before I put them in the dishwasher. Kind of get the grease out or anything that's sticking to the dishes, as well as the glasses. Usually most Saturdays I do have quite a few dishes to do because I make breakfast in the morning and lunch, so I do tend to rack up a lot of plates and pots in the sink, but it wasn't that much this weekend, so thank the Lord. So as you can see, I usually I don't put the pots in the dishwasher because they tend not to get washed pretty good in the dishwasher, so I usually hand wash those and dry them and put them away. So now I'm going to clean off my countertop, clean it off a little bit. As you can see, I'm using my Windex with vinegar. It's pretty good. It makes your countertop really shiny. And I also use it to clean my cabinets as well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and place back all the items that I took off my countertop. I usually wipe them down, take off any dust or grime, or any grease that gets on it, from cooking or from just having food around the items. I use vinegar to wipe that off. As you can see, I use vinegar on everything. So now I'm gonna clean the other side of my kitchen. I'm gonna clear off these canisters, wipe it down a little bit, basically replicate what I did on the other side. Clean the walls, get the grease off, especially around the stove. When you fry things, when you cook, oil tends to splash everywhere. So I usually wipe the walls, I wipe under the microwave. I don't know what kind of word was that. So I basically try to get all the grease off and have a nice clean wall, where no grease is splattered on it and on the items as well. So I use a degreaser to remove all the greasiness and stickiness from my stove, you know, from frying food or cooking, and that usually gets it to shine and look as nice and shiny as I like it. Okay, so I use the Wiseman stainless cleaner to clean my stainless steel items. That usually gets it, you know, sparkly and shining, and it also removes any dirt or grime on the stainless steel appliances. So now I'm gonna put back the items on the countertop, wipe them down a little bit, make them nice and shiny and clean again. So now I'm gonna basically sweep and wipe my floor. I usually use a mop, but I think I'm gonna upgrade to one of those steam mops. I'm gonna give a review on that on my next videos, so look out for that one. Also guys, I forgot to tell you guys to subscribe and like my video. If you've hung around this long, please subscribe and like my video, and I really do appreciate you for subscribing and liking and tuning into my channel. So thank you very much. So now I've made it to the living room. I'm gonna vacuum. I love this vacuum. It's really powerful. It tends to suck up all the all the dirt in my rugs. So I believe I got this vacuum from Walmart for about $60. Once it does the job, I really don't care. It doesn't have to be an expensive vacuum as long as it vacuums. So I've finally made my way to my dining room. I'm gonna take the items off the table so I could wipe it down a little bit. I usually use the, oh my gosh, the Old English, but it's the oil. It's kind of a little bit more thicker than the spray, which I love, so it makes the table nice and shiny. And then I'm gonna vacuum the rug. Oh my gosh, this shag rug is the hardest thing to vacuum because it's so thick. But it's a struggle every weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and place back the vases on the dining table. I kind of put the wrong item on there. As you can see, I put the little shiny bowl. I wasn't supposed to do that. So guys, this is my living room, nice and vacuumed and clean. The next room you're gonna see is the bathroom. You know, everything is nice and clean, but the rest of the video is gonna show you the after of everything. I want to thank you guys for watching my first cleaning video. I hope you like. If you do like, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on my next video. Enjoy the rest of the video.